Hi guys, I'm Dom. Welcome back to episode 2 of Project Race Car. As you'll see in a minute, we've stripped out the car. It's crazy light, very dangerous to drive. But I'm excited, I think we're all excited. So as you can see in the background behind me, the car is stripped. And now let's rewind back to 6 AM this morning. Am I in the space?
Yeah.
If you open a boot without the shutter hitting it. Hang on.
No, you'll be fine. Oh, hang on.
Without. Fucking hell. It's way too early for you to be doing shit like that. Shut up. The actual boot lids.
Starting the stripping process.
That's actually decent spec. I think that will fetch coin on the Facebook marketplace. I don't know if he's got some sort of lights, you know? And I'll just shine it in there. You have all your videoing space for all your videoing needs. Claim the VAT back. Do we need first? Right, let's just start ripping out.
What's that about? A kilo?
Yeah, I reckon. Like a 30-second reduction around the ring, I reckon. I mean,
First biggest difference is just stripping everything out. It's just going to be so playful.
yeah,
It's going to be like...
my previous car that I stripped out, the difference between it having full interior and not is like day and night. I guess we're gonna re-add some weight, granted.
But this is probably going to be the lightest it's ever going to be.
Yeah, so if there's a time to like throw it around corners and see what happens. So today, literally, the video you are watching, the whole of this car will be stripped, bar like the front seat. I might even leave the passenger seat. We'll then take all the rear out and probably bang it on Facebook Marketplace.
That's a stance.
I don't want to just like throw it in the bin because as an avid golf owner, user, previous user, sounds like a Drado. Previous user. People will want the stuff, do you know what I mean? Like it's full leather interior, full black roof headlining, like someone's gonna want it, do you know what I mean? If you buy any parts.
Can I actually have that?
Yeah, 100 quid.
100 quid?
When did it?
It's because there's a hole underneath, isn't there?
Oh, yeah.
So it'll be flicking up the water. Come on, Connor.
Connor? Cut that out. Cut that the fuck out. That's either an insult to me or a massive compliment to Connor. There's something about Starbucks, do you know what I mean? It's proper like, it's a proper rip-off.
How long you reckon that's been there? Have one. Sort that headache out. Mate, that looks vile.
That is so manky.
Do you reckon that was there before the accident they had?
Yeah, maybe. Or they took it after the accident because they had mad whiplash. A little disgusting, I can't. Foam, all the important stuff that we don't need.
You actually got a full-on kit there.
Yeah. Big jack.
Scissor jack.
This is like the most...
Little tow hook.
Yeah.
Mate, we need that for the track days.
Oh, one rusty. George says I need glasses bad. I do, but I don't want to admit it. Celebrating 20 years of something plastering limited.
Oh, mate, that is rusty. You're going to get syphilis from that.
Actually, it's not syphilis, you fucking idiot. It's tetanus. And I've had a tetanus jab. So, yes.
That means you can write all day long.
That means I can literally suck on a rusty nail. It's sweet.
Is that for you, that letter?
What does it say?
Specsavers letter.
Yeah, that is for the previous one.
No wonder he had a Cat S, you couldn't see where he was fucking going. Is there any other goodies? Is it? Oh, there's another pen, or is that the one you just got out?
No, it's another one.
He had a lot of pens.
Mate.
Considering he didn't know how to see, he had a lot of pens, didn't he?
There's so much water in the back here.
Are we taking out all like...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Does this light make me look double ginger?
So we found this tape in the back of the car. Oh, mate.
They're like a Lightning McQueen racing stripe. I'm not putting my... You're mad if you think I'm... Don't do that.
Oh, I just realised
that. A car with loads of paracetamol and rusty pens.
Yeah, that's the way forward.
I've got a 12 volt in this bad boy.
No way, have you got...
Yeah.
Hey, that's well smart.
We don't buy badly spec cars. Do you know what I mean?
Just Cat. She's in there. It's because there's a bolt underneath it.
I don't want to take the bolts out though.
How'd you get this
Take
one?
the bolt out, please.
Bear with me a second. I've got an idea.
Ryan, I didn't ask, but thank you. Find me something sharp. Scissors, knife, whatever. Whatever we can, just find something sharp. Let's get close up here. I could easily take that out. like it's on a plug, but it's not fun.
That's not fun at all. So,
snip. Well, watch my paintwork. Oh, check out the official Volkswagen sticker.
Arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts with. I've got no patience.
I could see exactly where that was going wrong as well.
Is there bolts? Can you get me the drill ski?
Oh, under the leg.
That was actually sick as well, wasn't it? Is there one in there?
Probably. Wow.
Doesn't reach. That's getting ripped out. Why am I doing everything under my legs? I've got long legs, man. That's why.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Oh, you've got double long legs.
Strong boy.
They do say that about me.
Colby. Hold on. I think the carpet goes under the back seat. So.
Yeah, I know that. I just wanted to, do you know what I mean? It's clickbait, innit? Look at me, guys. I'm cutting my carpet. Oh, don't care about the car. Oh. Let's take the back seats up. One rear. One bottom half, the rear bench. Lovely condition, as you can see. If you want it, buy it.
It's not going to be any organisation here.
Probably just use a spanner. You know, if you didn't know me before, Mechanic, Mercedes, Volkswagen. I love them videos. I don't know why. Probably like what's that thing called?
ASMR, you fucking idiot.
I think it might be. Oh, he's only. Someone stopped me. I'm too good at my job. I used to be. George also a plumber, heat engineer. So I'm really handy with the tools, if you know what I mean. It's the microphone. I did not get that wet. Media person. I'm so sorry. These are meant to remove. I will resort to violence. Someone will be in the comments going, "You're doing it wrong." And do you know what? Yeah, you're probably right. My job is to rip this out as quickly and as efficiently.
3 for 3.
As quickly and as efficiently as possible.
Oh, 5. Hey!
Unnecessarily hard.
For one seat. Oh, we got there.
Yeah, to be fair, these will just slot out now and we're out. Let's get it. Oh. I'll be on it. Oh. Do you know what I mean? It's actually quite hard work, you know.
Oh yeah, I bet it's knackering.
Was that sarcasm? I felt a hint of sarcasm in that.
No, I was dead serious. Hey.
Wait, it's what he does. It's what he flipping does. It's illegal. This one is so much heavier, you wouldn't believe. Like I know it's obviously 2 seats. Yeah. Shout out whoever. Right, that's my door. Rear door cards, seat belts. Fuck them off. Disconnectings of the batteries because possible of the airbags. Are they fuel lines, Ryan? I hope they're not fuel lines, Ryan. That's a fire hazard. Them f***ing lights are so bright. See how I used the trim tool there?
To be fair, we could open up the door now, can't we? Outside.
Turn these f***ing lights off. No, sorry, I didn't want to sell it anyway.
Me to you. To you to the pile.
The headliner is what we want to preserve. Because that is worth dough. Off. Once you get the first one off, she's sweet. You put that on top of the roof.
Making good progress. Look at that, all the half, pretty much the whole ends. That's a chassis notch if I've ever seen one.
Do you know what I mean? That's how you do it.
Do you want to take out the seatbelts? Just to show what we've done so far, we've taken off the... We were going to take out the wiper motor, that's why there's a few bolts off, and then we realised we had nothing to cover it up with, so
Kill all wipers.
kill all wiper.
I definitely do think at some point this might have had like a rear end nudge. The parking sensors have been painted over.
Technician. Auto card. Almost out. We're making progress. We're making good progress.
Looks good with the door cards off.
It does. And then hopefully, well, I don't know if we actually need the handle. I'm guessing we can just. What else are we taking out?
Driver's side door card. And then we'll probably want to take 2 front seats out, get the carpet out, put the seats back in so we can go for a test drive. And then, well, yeah, build's complete basically.
That's it, end of the series.
That's it, end of the series. God, I found a fucking quid.
Another quid.
Yeah.
Mate, that's £2 so far. We're making profit. That is a heavy boy.
Right, I've really taken this out the wrong way.
That was a very poor way of doing that. Oh, it's
I
fine.
thought it'd just slip out like the other one, but evidently not. Shabooby.
Alright, so we're switching to the GoPro now, but what the progress we're making so far is we're just taking off the centre console. We're going to save this bit.
Need to get rid of this because these, I guess, are worth some money for someone. It's in good nick as well. Rip up the centre console. Hopefully we can, I'm assuming we can pop out all these buttons. Just to know, I am no mechanic, and neither is Oscar, willy-nilly and hoping for the best. I'm assuming I can pop out the buttons, the old e-brake, and then get all this trim off, carpet up, headliner off, and then basically just be left with next to fuck all really.
Yeah, so we took out the seats purely just to get this carpet bit out, and then when I put the seats back in, they're quite heavy, so it would have been ideal to have the bucket seats already.
It would have, but
there's stuff in the works. There is stuff in the works.
so after much frustration,
We finally got out the centre console.
just trying to be a bit smart with what we take in. We've managed to get start buttons back in, the handbrakes back in.
So all the important buttons that we're going to need.
I just want to see update. I would get a phone call, wouldn't I?
Nice.
Let me hang on.
What have you done? Oh shit, there is no interior.
No. Oscar's just popped to the shop to get a sandwich. So before I was rudely interrupted by Jord there, little update. Centre console is out. As me and Oscar said, the plugs are back in so we can start the car and use the handbrake. I've left the heater stuff attached and just basically hacksaw it out so we can still use that. What else? This carpet is now going to come up. Get rid of this. We've taken a little bit, if I go around this side, taken a little bit of the dash out. Obviously eventually the dash will come out, but as I said, we're trying to leave it as drivable as we can for the minute. But yeah, we're going to take this carpet out now, seats back in, take the headliner out, and then we're sweet. Don't at me. I'm sure there'll be a load of people going, why don't you just take it all out in one? But basically, this carpet obviously runs in line with the centre console. If we were keeping it, then yes, I would take it all out in one. Basically just unclipped it all, taken everything out that we need to, and I'm just now going to cut through the middle because it just saves time and we haven't got all day to be making sure that the carpet gets out in one piece. So I'm going to cut this out and I'll give you an update after. Right, the thing still just doesn't want to die.
How to safely strip them up for 577 Golf. Time to get the roof lining out. Wrong way.
I lost my patience. This morning I thought it would go quite smoothly.
Do you want to should we do the first start off and see if I blow an airbag in my face? Or do you want to sit in it?
They're all out.
Besides the steering wheel.
Gosh.
3, 2, 1. Oh, look how many lights are on.
I'm on drive fast, take chances.
First drive in the stripped out Golf. It sounds empty.
Press is our private roast, man. Found this little wagon.
Yeah?
Yeah, it needs suspension badly.
Oh, the stone's rattling.
Come on!
That's a beautiful sound.
Right, what's the pheasant? The fuck, mate? Right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's not too long. We've done a lot of work today. Me and Oscar both got our hands dirty, but we're super excited because now that this is stripped, the real work commences. The car will be going away at some point to various different companies that we'll be working with. This car is about to transform. I think some people, as we were saying in the car, this is not going to be a track car. This is going to be a full-blown race car. We'll try and keep it as road legal for as long as we can, but I do think we're going to get to a point where it's just not going to be like that. So I think it's time to get started. Catch you in a bit. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.